yes say wo kasa na se wa no pa na wa hu sense mom kan de man kan ya entempa tietietia no be pa acho. Enti on that note no, Clement of Gossip24 me am chairman over YouTube no dey about omo dealing with gossip konkonsa pa konkonsa odi konkonsa ma na ye de or the ewo ni sugar nyina egu konkonsa mu a Gossip24 Clement or ya de pa wa say obo your media we so na evidence obeka fa Igbo king in Ghana concerning statement that Sam George Edebaya said Clement ever supporting him. It generated hatred for him on the internet. At this moment, Clement Ababontene Abepacho, now Bigscout Media, Twene Jonas, any other TikTokers are joining conversation. Man fire my hammer pa any gun ahimfo. Ahimfo Omoga, and we just say, I do weapons, meeting yes you are Santimemu. I Penyah Brook Media. Mess was any demo. Over like video, no other one, but subscribe button, subscribe to the notification and latest updates. Now better why you have me or comment section. Mess was so baswa. You watch video for so any be accurate. And ever the Igbo king in Ghana, His Royal Majesty Chukudu Jude Ihenetu, Anna Konya Dine Eye Eze or Hazrumi the first. The issue no eye concern no. Only some George Ebe should communicate on that. Prior to video go viral, na video ni mono claim say this Igbo man in Ghana has acquired 50 acres of land to build a kingdom. On this issue, some George Ebe should communicate. As I'm going to do, and no correct. So because there's an Igbo man be in Ghana erecting a kingdom and also in the viral video no man eka say what 50 acres of land old pram and the sound guy say enya no kre masa enya no kre na ya hemfo no sabe ye hu so mutimu ye to the point so beton assassin yantam 50 acres what do you mean enya no kre Anna Clement Gossip24 ebeka Twene support to some joy say no part the massa intimacy ko ya hemfo no sabe omunyi mean so be town na sase akoma ho 50 acres of land so the vegetarian kingdom there Clement can say the when they are possible
I don't only say some of these things. You understand? It will be absurd for anyone to feel okay about how His Royal Majesty Chukwudu Jude Ehenetu is moving. You understand? Say all the sub chiefs near there, but it will be more absurd for anyone to think, say, he will be able to acquire 50 acres of land and build a kingdom. Ghana has no. You understand? Say we call UK and now say we call USA. Now say you say any day Mr. Bono Hene and now say Sante Hene our USA and now say UK. Of course, what I say, but I'm just giving an example in the context. I'm sure say you understand. It's for the lack of a better word. You say Hene in this context. No, forgive me. Our more UK ni USA, right? Say be a Omekoshia a president and I say Omekoshia we are saying we shema. Right? What as Santini and I say what as Bununi and I say what as Infantini and I say what as Kraini and I say what as Eveni and I say Anglonino. And shema. Oh, feel it okay, you feel happy, you feel okay. And that's how I think say the Igbos also feel. Say Omunipa Asia president and also Omunipa Asia former president. Any idea no? But how Ebia on installing sub chiefs any what have you know and any normal to hear as Ghana for no which ye na yet here. But to think say and I number 2 as I say 50 acres a man there. I mean, come on.
Everyone's like Clement Eka, and in fact, he really disappointed his subscribers. I mean, if you guys say, Clement, issue ya bapana the whole Clement pa because I say we never can there. What we do here? What I say? What we do here? What we do? Until we never thought say you can even talk like this. But this is a national issue. This is a threat to Ghana as a country. ATF and some amount for the country Clement. Any other Clement that you know so that this one can you. In Clement as well as the mother. None of the pie. And yes, I will defend the Igbo in the and yes, will defend the sound judge, but or no, you feel it say a handful no. I dare won't to mean yet. So there's a say my was a whole bunch of could yet. Maybe I know that will feel it, but you say or can be, I'm a Igbo can no, and now or can be as supported some George and not be the Benyano as a no. No, the none is the issue, a assassin in the viral video only kill him say what 50 acres and no one said and all kinds one day unbelievable say down him for a day assassin yantam 50 acres ebema or him as on family kingdom any day unbelievable in that news but say issue say obi any Ghana no all started kingdom no day and no day unbelievable say the apostle and can add the submission on that a declarement of Gossip24 said more fanchen Yajuma ye the enfunso maybe enfunso monfanche. Now on this issue, also about there's a video as a man, what meeting Muhammad now. Emma even on the 9th of November 2024, I told you Muhammad Aaron. This gentleman, Emma Muhammad, congratulations message. Emma posted the crowd on the TikTok page. What is it? Opposite Muhammad. Emma Maya Mino Canazin Crowd. Wabo a him for Ghana ha. I just say wabo Igwe Kwenu. Kwesienu Igwe Captain Smart. Wabo ne hene.
Captain Smart. They are bringing my I'll go and media personnel. Yeah. They can damn it up for that first.
Emma Lolo Ogomo Empress Gifty wabone hene
His Royal Majesty Chief Jude Ihenitu me godfather or me papa or you be a lolo or him man ne yere me always sign achekakra no ntina me de Peterson or copy e buy and me de call him nimu e call ye because me chine somo any the royalty ni atumu and ntina me because there are so many things Empress me me Nigeria for and also said me dream one more account in account and almost share ya almost the family. Ye frame Chief Gomma Empress Gifty Atoye.
What I said, wabongo fu nyina hene. Am Ghana for say uncle fia enipa mi Captain Smart any Empress Gifty. O me a Ghana version of Judas Iscariot. O me Ghana ma. O ma ton Ghana. O ma betray Ghana. Enti Twene Jonas. Bigscout Media are joining other TikTokers. Now, we remember add submission on this particular issue.
A man for air tagging me pa. I was saying me so me kebi na man kebi. I said my come to do about this Igbo king. People are tagging me. Willie, is it right? Is it right? Is it right? And you're right. And you're right. Now, mesre and kranhini. Eya ni te kuchuru. Gamanche mesre. Adiana ekosono. There is no smoke without fire. Sir enkran penninfo ana enkran ahemfo sir monton asase amfama Nigeria ni no eye den e no besi Igbo kingdom e wo Ghana Accra eye den e no besi Igbo kingdom eye enkranfo hini enkran ahemfo mu e na moton asase e dia ma papa yi e na so ba besi ni kingdom of friend hu Igbo hini Igbo kingdom Igbo king with immediate effect, with all due respect, and can for him for Miss Remo. Moi muton asasima papa we munko na munfa musika nkomano. Munfa ni sika enkomano. Asasino mo anya tombium anya by force. Because this is going to go in the history. It's going to go in the books of our history. That this is what Ghana chiefs, this is what you did. You sold your land to a Nigerian man who calls himself an Igbo king who was to establish his own kingdom. Game yetiashi gamanche noni ya no ko lehekue ofa ne mo femu na tweno na won ke shipone ana ishika na kishika hale shiponye hodon ene ebeyingbe no kra nye kafiti agan won panify gamanche me fe ni leheko shipone na hone nye bo ashika na nye shika ya nye ka ha me nye ya shipon nye nhwe kan ya shichon.
In appropriate time, no man beban ma beka sa afa Igbo kingdom ne no man kwasi ade e koso Ghana wana esi a Captain Smart mo jimi fo mo de Ghana che Nigeria fo me de one ma beba NDC de mo jimi chen MPP ba mo jimi too much mo by doom so left and right sal doom so adan mo jimi too much
Ghana nkasa wo ho adesua na yempe obi ehu ne ho so yo gboro ne yonko ya ade na efe na obesua no de bi me so me de me ho ntimi nsua me ye ewe 100%, but do you think say ade a Igbo man iba beye wo Accra yi obetimi akoye wa Ashanti region. Who will even allow him so ba establish onu ne kingdom e wa Ashanti region? Let's think, let's be sincere. It will never happen. Why? Gans, why? Why? Nasabio, Captain Smart. Kromeni, obine befini kroma ba establish onu ne kingdom or hano no abesi wu kromeni or hene. I can't think, like, ade yenye ade jaya adwi we chire ana. Sabe. Muma yenjio na Ghana fonso ye nipa o.
Igbo king in Ghana. Even that name, Igbo king in Ghana, is a big disrespect to this country. Such impudence, the temerity. Excuse you. How dare you? Who born dog? Say Igbo king in Ghana. Charlie, the number of tags I've received then to talk about this issue. Are you serious? Now, when I went into the nitty-gritty of this whole story, I was the guy is so smart, the so-called Igbo king in Ghana. We're meeting a lot of dignitaries in this country, including the president himself, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Oni omunyina kra have it one-on-one. Entina somewhere no unhu baby a o kan kosi. So when you permission be woman's chain or day they all you know. I have absolutely no idea. Because tell me, excuse you, sir, Igbo king, Shane, Chama, washing, Yama, Shipran, said yes, or sub chiefs, or Mogo, Ebi was Pentex, Ebi or Medina, Ebi or Kaswa, was Sanswa or 50 acres of land, Eboningo Pram, water honum baby, or no babe creative. A friend is a village, Igbo village in Ghana, not streets, you know, one naming it after some of the ancestors, or more Nigerian, or more Igbo land, hollow. What? Such impudence. Hey, Ghana. Debbie, no, this is not nice. Oh, this is absolutely. Nah, this is not nice. What's going on? Papa, we're parading the home. I just said, "Chuku dear henetos one money." And now some kid one that was not just any primary objective. Partner say, or the man Nigerians now Ghana Hana feel so comfortable to the extent that. Oh, Nigeria, Kana will far bag a baha, no fears. Would da so of time bag and our baha. Oh, be settle you are in Ghana because, of course, there's a Nigerian, village in the country. What is this? What's going on? Not just saying, when you foolish and a china so money kutu power, because, of course, absolute power corrupts absolutely. Because who born dog? Who are you to come to this country and tell us what to do? This is a sovereign country. We are governed by rules and regulations over here. You don't just come here and do what you want in our country. No, it's not allowed. You can't do that. Not to say in Nigeria for us. You see, and no be new. Ghana for take away your leniency, no my your weakness too much. Because say your hospitable now your jinko for 2 minutes. Muba na ma your margin such as a Ghana for your mujini per 2 minutes. Young fire and some raw muhim. I can't was as me. What kind of nonsense is this? I didn't say Munukranny. Say Igbo king in Ghana. What's saying ya and ya a pesap cheat hair kind of group. Sadia were ya chuku di hene to free Nigeria. Wababe ye. Sadia obet media ko Ashanti region. Sadia obet media ko Bronga half region. Until Fanko. Even though say 2 regions no or Munshadan come, but there is no way you can do this in both regions. You can't do it. You can't do it. Well, Ghana has a 15 years and counting. And one who said this particular jurisdiction is so weak and he can do whatever he wants. There's limit to everything. You do not do that. You cannot overstep like that. You can't overstep. Don't do that. Mube kama fire sonata ma be di corona fanya za na ye mube huna war pan war sangrovowe ngovowe me se okọ Nigeria Ghana for ye duane ba akukura ni ho ba so oba ha Nigerian restaurants abu ha na nyasem keto omo mfa ye nya hwe enti I don't see the reason why ayanso yetimi hold the omo in high esteem like that. They don't regard us. So why are we regarding them like that? Why are we giving them that utmost respect and that hospitality? And it's absurd. Look at what you're doing. What feeling at home, mama? So who to say with me? What nonsense! I'm out. Tell me what you think in the comments, guys.
Position you kwase asema na wudi wo ba abam wakwan atum jimi no krono nti so wanya position to wakwan atum e ba betwere kwase asem ye pese oba national television show na be kasa kwase asem akwatwere go page wo no wo kwase asem akwatwere go Twitter no Facebook wo no bra bonten se wo na ayi wo na information minister e wo Ghana bra be national television show na koye media houses na TV radio show kwake kasa nkwase asem wo asem na wakwatwere go no bra be ka kire ye wo ho ne yentimi ma wansa ye kwase ampani na anu ya wo ba hwe ka wotimu se ni nyina omo na atoto ma nti wo ba be defend wo be bo defense kwase ye ma mo defense am George kwase ye yesi ye ma mo defense wo jimi fuwe aboa wo hwini wo ba ase na ntwie why se na ntwie be ma be ntwie kwase ampani Sam George what's the dear bay? What's will be unto us as 250 acres or hefa? NDC for me say MPP for in account. Mummy first I'm saying for politics, but I'm said bebem. MPP ni NDC for in a more called Jed Mudi and to be a can watch my semi be to me can be MP hefa UTV one you GTV TV3 for 1 quarter me more baby Captain Smart and one quas their 4 Jimmy for Captain Smart quas and penny boy ye friend more una decay boy Jimmy for na some George quas and penny in it also Jimmy for quasia for moton Ghana sasidie mu amunim nyansa moton Ghana future mo nwene ye ma ho na mo dwene mo ye fo ho mo dwene de mu bedi ne ho enkwasiafo Trump ba ye wo se and the message you are the buy I to abama na de chinya no status wo deliver wo mahama wo to wontimi nye hu enkwase asem say ko so wontimi address nation no e me ye hu de ekọ because of adam di enkwase asem amu di enti munyina mu ye mo na mugu Ghana ho na me betua boka me say efri mo gama nchene so be Sam George kwase Penny Captain Smart obi bia wo bia ya bo nye ho no ebrabonten na be chire mo mono amoso mo na mo siasa mo immigration officers na mo gina afrawo ho no mo bribes mankrofo wuram no na nim se Ghana immigration service no so no mo do so pa ya igwefuo e na mo boda no so no alatafo no fa ba na ho na wo yesi oduwa no mo agi abusaw yes e ka se mama no mo afre pani mu bi wo minim de enti e wo ba wo ye me pani wo ye me akora wo ye me sei na mo agi jiska e na yesi krono e koso ho wo bi koye immigration officer na ne ko gina afrawo a wa na afi eda ya obesie no ajapade obaye no enso hwe nipa de ma no a wontimi mfansi saa dan na afi ede na ekoso Ghana no ye ma ne ye nuanom wo ho nkwasiafo a mo to Ghana nsase mo to Ghana nsase ama kidnappers mo to Ghana eyi die ne Ghana future ama kronfo ama mu baba be si criminal house so baba si ede ben oso baba si wono so baba si kingdom wo baba si ni palace wo be si palace asase be no wo jimifo no oton sa
hwe na prempem me shaase e ka sansem we no e bia na sa opanyin no onye na adwe kra se oba Ghana wo betima akọ me hu videos ni bia me be yishi mu de amam me shaase se me ka sansem we me kire ma adwe no sansem bi si wona che mumu binum abeka se na prempem de me penyimu na prempem de se ni si won se enne ahoho e ba baji masase na boso ade na akwa ne ye no me se enkakran o sika o anu influence anu asaahye ase e to Ghana media fo central fo ni bi na na yesi wosi Captain Smart ono ana enim se Ghana de na no ekọ akire Ghana de okasa enti ene wosi Captain Smart hene wosi Captain Smart hene wosi ni hene ana busua wa pumping no made amano eti Captain Smart ontimi be kasa enti asa ade na ekoso no akwane very smart eti wo se wo blogger bi ti se me am very loud me kasa nkofu ti a wo bo so afra me ko de no wa bo ahye me na ebia wosi wo hene no wa show Igbo fo nta ade ni bi na eno ano no eti wontimi nka na asem saa de ya akwa yi wo yi abusua me say ɛyɛ nkakra mbo sɛ ɛnkran ahemfo a mowɔ nyina mobɛkɔ akɔhyɛ n'ase nkakra saa ahemfo a mowɔ nkran mo nyina mobɛkɔ akɔhyɛ n'ase sɛ moantu deɛ wɔyɛ no moantu ase a wanhwɛ a ɛnkran ahemfo a mowɔ hɔ because akoa no wɔwɔ sika ana wahyɛ aseɛ ewurawura politics mu ɛyɛ ade mpo a wɔyɛ ɛne sɛ NDC na wɔ so a ɔmuntumi nyɛ no hwee NPP na wɔ so a ɔmuntumi nyɛ no hwee eti akoa no deɛ wɔyɛ no sɛ nkakra ɛnkran ahemfo a mowɔ nyina no mobɛkɔ akɔhyɛ n'ase saa nsɛmfo no a wɔdie no ɔntumi bɛyɛ no kumase o tie me ye mo adeɛ baako a asante yɛmu eduru adeɛ baako asante yɛmfa ya mammerɛ ne yɛ hene ndi agorɔ no ebi nie because anka susua mpaa sɛ anka akoa wei ti kumase ana wayɛ no ho sɛ meyɛ Igbo king a anka watu ne namu mmirika anka di mmirika ne bɛdwane ɛdeɛ bɛnti na ɔbaa wama mɛtena kumase anyɛ no ho sɛ ɔyɛ Igbo king na ɔkɔtena ɛyɛ no man's land a ɛyɛ nkran because nkran ɛyɛ akɔ sɛ panyini bi ani hɔ because ahemfo no kora no ntɔkwa wɔ mo ntam na no ɔmo yɛ hɔmɔwɔ hwɛ ntɔkwa a esi yɛ ɔho sɛ ntɔkwa wɔ mo amo ntam muntimi nka mo ho mbɔ mu muntimi nyɛ baako eti ɔno bɛba bɛtena waba bɛdi mo so wɔmfa ne nkwasi asɛm no mbra ɛyɛ Ashanti region saa ne nkwasi asɛm na wɔyɛ na wɔso wɔsisi hene ɔwɔ hene wɔ ha ɔmmɛtena kumase ɔmmɛdi saa nsɛmfo no ɔntimi last for even 24 hours mpo no ɛdɔɔso because kumase yɛmfa yɛ hene ndi agorɔ yɛmfa yɛ ahensɛm ndi agorɔ ɛnyɛ bɔne sɛ waba bɛtena Ghana na wɔsɛ wɔyɛ ɛyɛ Igbo ken anaasɛ wɔyɛ Igbo hene because yɛn asantefoɔ anaasɛ yɛn Ghanafoɔ koraa no yɛtu kwan ɛkɔ amanɔne a ɔba Germany a yɛwɔ asantefoɔ hene wɔ ha ɔkɔ UK yɛwɔ asantefoɔ hene wɔ hɔ ɔkɔ ɛyɛ America yɛwɔ asantefoɔ ahemfo ahodoɔ ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnyɛ bɔne but deɛ ɛhu ɛne sɛ wɔse wɔba bɛsi big school ɔba bɛsi school kɛseɛ na ɔma hyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɔmbɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ Igbo kasa no ɛne Borɔfo kasa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ school mu no ɛne na ɛyɛ very dangerous and say mpanimfoɔ no anstɔpo deɛ wɔba bɛyɛ no sɛ ɔba bɛti school na school no ɔkɔ akɔfa alatafoɔ ɛfiri ɛyɛ Nigeria ɔkɔ akɔfa teacherfoɔ firi Nigeria aba bɛkyerɛ nkwadaa no ɛyɛ Igbo kasa no ɛno ɛna ɛyɛ very dangerous because Ghana no wontimi mɛtena Ghana abra Ghana yɛnyɛ Nigerians Ghana yɛwɔ ekurom yɛwɔ Ghanafoɔ a yɛwɔ asase no so a asase no yɛyɛ dea yɛwɔ abusuakuo ahodoɔ bebree wɔ hɔ Igbofoɔ nka ho Igbofoɔ Nigeria ana mote Igbofoɔ Nigeria ana mote Ghana asase no so no yɛwɔ mfante yɛwɔ anwona yɛwɔ asante yɛwɔ bono yɛwɔ ɛyɛ yɛfrɛ sɛ kwawu yɛwɔ akyem yɛwɔ kusasi yɛwɔ wei yɛwɔ frafra name them yɛwɔ mfante yɛwɔ anwona yɛwɔ busuakuo ahodoɔ bebree sɛ mambo wɔ busuakuo din afa kyɛ me ɛdɔɔso but yɛni Igbo foɔ ɛwɔ Ghana sɛ Igbo ni bi ɛwɔ Ghana na kyɛ sɛ ofiri Nigeria ana aba bɛtena Ghana ɛti wontumi bɛtena Ghana na woma ne mbɛyɛ sɛ wo ba bɛti school ama Igbo foɔ akɔ school mu hɔ ɛsua Igbo kasa na ɛnkyɛ nkurɔfoɔ ɛdominate kakra bi a abusua me say ɛbɛyɛ kakra yɛama mpanimfoɔ yɛbɛyɛ kakra wanhwɛ a yɛbɛtumi aba bɛnya ɔmampanyin bi anaasɛ minister bi a wɔyɛ Igboni deɛ akwa ne yɛ no ɔsɛte sam ɛyɛ kingdom bi wasɛte mpo awie na ɛbɛyɛ kakra no wanhwɛ a yɛbɛkɔ akɔnya MP a wɔyɛ Igboni nkakra no wɔbɛwurawura bu saa na afei ofiri MP a ɔkɔ hefa ɔkɔ ɛyɛ presidency me say sibia san nkɔfoɔ redɔɔso ɛwɔ wiase no sibia san nkɔfoɔ ɔmani abre ɔmani ate baabi ɔmɛkɔ bia ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmɔgye hɔ bɔ so no saa Igbofoɔ no baabi ɔmɛkɔ akɔtena bia no ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmɔgye hɔ bɔ so ɛyɛ ɔmo suban ɔkɔ Nigeria ɛyɛ ɔmo suban me say Ghana deɛ na ɔmo yɛ no nkakra omo mano e ba benyini omo ba be wura parliament omo ba benyini omo kwa contest presidency omo ba benyini me say si yama ye ni ambra yemma ene omo mano e be ba be pem so imagine ye benya president of Ghana na oye Nigeria ni because ne papa aba be wo no e de na to Ghana basa akwada no enim ni nchi o it obeba be di Ghana fo so obeba be di Ghana fo so na Ghana fo ma ye ebre because when Nigeria e be akwa yesi na emfasodie bia na e be free Ghana aba e be ko Nigeria is hard ya akwa yi oye sempanifo mu hu ya moma mani endi akire science school na wo so wo ba be si no ni kwase moma ho kwan obetima atena ho aye eye ne noma wo ye se wo ye Igbo king wo ho eno de memehwemu wo ho bata no kura no enkran asase so ana obetima di sankwa asem no wo ho enkran nko ana obetima di sankwa asem no ontimi fa mbekumase eno ti ne ka kire mo se enkranfo no mon kam hombom but mo antie anenne mama eye hoho aba betra Ghana ana wo ye no wo ye Igbo king na sabi akwa we betra Ghana wo so ye Igbo king no Nigeria fo nsemfo a omudi wo Ghana no emodudo se no watimi aye video mpo akasa etiada se Nigeria fo betra wasa ase so a so mo ye tena emutu pe ena ye papa omo ye tena emutu pe ena ye papa age na aka no ensemfo nko a kidnappers akronfo omo motomona 419 kese ensemfo nko a ebihwene Ghana ewia kete na ye kidnap obi na no me video bi a me mfanto me de betum abrantie bi o ma kidnap no a na busuafo omo frɛ na busuafo so omo fa 600 million embra ma ye video na wi me de betum omo frɛ na busuafo so omo fa 600 million embra abusuafo na nya because abusua no ebi ni ho omo ka se 50 million kwa na abusuafo ni nya ebi ni ho 600 million ti no omo ko abrantie no abrantie kama omo kuno yente Ghana ana Ghana police ene Nigeria police ekoye baako a omo ko yi ye maamefo bi a Nigeria fo ne kidnap omo yente Ghana enso mpanifo na yenhwe han masa no mawe ekoso Nigeria ne atima ba betena Ghana a kidnap Ghana fo edo ma cross border edo omo ko afei omo frese ebusuafo ne first camera Ghana police ni Nigerian police le ko kabo ma omutim ko rescue omo e shase free hen ade we akoso for many years hweta korade saa 3 years omu ya saa 3 years omu ya yes Nigeria fo akwaje takorade aboso free hen fa Ghana a enim se ye Ghana no Ghana nye kuro bi a nanka obehu se awia kete na mbo se obi di tuo ekokro no bo Ghana ebi nsida Ghana kronfo do wia TV enkane no Ghana kronfo de obewia TV Ghana kronfo de obewia bode a wo kwa akotwa Ghana kronfo kom na de no enti de obefa obanche na wo kwa akotu obode na wo kwa akotwa obayire kyese ekom de no aponche Ghana kronfo no mu yo mode enti omo de mponche ne nkokọ ana no mu wia ana leta wono phones ba ye ne ade na ye peke omo phones ankofo peke phones ne ade atutubotomfo most were you 2 cedis were you 5 cedis na Ghana kronfo de wabo kron no ye so ye hard kra no TV no kwa akowia eno kra wonku but ne awia kete bo se ye di tuo akoye bank obi forest bureau na ye de ye friends ye di tuo akono so na di tuo akwa gina so gold dealers near the two tata woman efrefa eyesa Nigeria for ya no maba betra Ghana because you say Ghana there asumdie wo ho Ghana there hojo Ghana there it wo mo firi mu kro maba betra Ghana ana sa akro no we ekoso because nipa no oba no ebi mpa no aye wanted e wo Nigeria Ghana obi e bewura o mani mu a no oba be do pe hwe nan sen gay for me no be wura Independence Square wo a o me san kwase asem no omo nkoye omo ko
Height never.